Hello and welcome back. This is video number 6, and this is going to be about course rewards. We all, as human beings, desire to earn rewards because it is, of course, chemically embedded into our brains, which is the dopamine. But what does that look like in an online course setting? And how do you implement that in your online course? And more importantly, what software or WordPress plugin should you use to achieve this? So, when it comes to course rewards, basically what this is you are rewarding people, and this is up to you. You can either just reward them for completing the course, or you can also reward them for completing segments such as the lessons, the topics, or the videos, or even taking a quiz. So, it would look something like this. So, imagine these squares being parts of the course. So that could be video 1, this could be video 2, this could be video 3, and this could be video 4. So what you would want to do is you want to figure this out, and I highly recommend that you mind map it out and set up a mind map. But you want to figure out where the rewards will be given. Will it be given for every single video? So if that's the case, you're going to want to specify that and show that on the mind map as such. And maybe as they go through, we could have them earn a few points, maybe a few points here, and maybe a few points here, and maybe a very, very big point over here. Or if you think about it, a lot of times people will watch part of the videos and then they'll quit. So what you could do is right around the area that you think, or that you've discussed this with your students, right around that area that there's a drop off, you can put more points there. Now, if you're using a learning management system, it should automatically tell you how many people are actually completing the course. So if it's like 50% are completing 50% of the video, then put it here, right? So that's what you're going to want to do, is figure out where you want the rewards to trigger. Once you have that in mind, then and only then can you really move forward and start to implement the whole process. Now, there are several different rewards that you can give. You can give badges, which basically says, hey, I completed this course, or you can give them rewards or points that they can use to get something that they want. Okay, so if we go back to LearnDash here, learndash.com, one of the unique features that they have is the course points. So you can award points for completing courses and unlock new ones. In addition to that, you also have certificates and badges. So these would actually relate to the kind of the badges. It's not necessarily something that they get, but it's sort of like a boost of reputation. So as you can imagine, people join clubs, they join societies, and they ultimately want to move up in the ladder. So when they get badges or they get certificates, they feel like they're unique. So a little bit of competition in there is a good thing. Now, in terms of what you can use for badges, let's say, for example, you don't use LearnDash, you can use a WordPress plugin. This is actually a plugin. It's called Badge OS. And what it is, it's, as you can see, it's a powerful WordPress plugin that allows you to create achievements and badges to show that your users have completed a certain task. So you could start with just this and only this if you would like to, but you can take it one step further, and there's a suite of WordPress plugins in terms of the gamification factor, which is called GamaPress.com. They have tons of WordPress plugins. Some are free, some are going to cost you a little bit money, but for the most part, you can just take the gamification process to a whole new level. But my recommendation to you is to keep it simple, use LearnDash, use these as the course rewards, badges, and more. And then of course, we'll talk about engagement rewards in the next video.